Okay, Anna, this is your gift. I'll show Buchi in animation with your sister.
Ow!
She really likes to nip.
They love nips.
Hi, Buchi.
She would purr if she wasn't so tired.
Yeah.
And look, she totally looks like an Ewok. Look at her paws. Get a close up of her
Buchi.
paws.
Oh yeah.
They're like,
Look at these furry paws.
oh, she's purring.
Yeah.
She's gonna get ready to bite.
Buchi.
She's looking right at the camera. Good girl. She's so photogenic.
Yeah.
I love when she does that.
Oh, she's purring.
Ow.
Feisty.
She looks like such. Man, doesn't she look like an Ewok?
Yeah.
You're going to be sending all those things to Anna, right?
Which
Yeah.
has a small nose.
Eva?
Yep.
Can you send it to us?